Hi everyone, this is Mr. Junie, and today I'm going to talk about Fluency Level 14. To pass Fluency Level 14, students have to recognize any number from 0 all the way to 100. And when we test them at school, we give them flashcards, and they have to tell us what numbers on the flashcard. Sometimes we'll also use a hundreds chart and tell them to point at the number we tell them to point at. So, for example, if we tell them to find the number 36, they have to be able to point to the number 36, which is right here. And we're going to give them 5 different numbers to answer and look for. So it could be any 5 numbers from 0 to 100. Maybe another number could be 49. So they have to also point at 49. Or if we show them a flashcard with the number 49, they have to tell us what number that is. Now, if they have trouble recognizing a number, for example, maybe they have trouble finding 56, there are a couple of ways to help them at home so that they're prepared when we test them at school. So one way to find the number 56 is if they just count from 1 and count all the way until they hear the number 56. So they count 1 all the way, and then when they hear 56, they stop and see where 56 is on the hundreds chart. That's one way, so you can start from 1. You can also count on from, not from 1, but any other number that's smaller than 56 that they know. So maybe they know where the number 49 is, which is right here. And they would count on or keep counting until they get to 56. So 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Stop. And you would ask them, what number is that? And they would look at it and say, oh, it's 56. And ask them 2 times to make sure they know what number it is. So what number is it? It's 56. Another way to help them find the number before telling them the answers is if you break down the word a little bit. So the number 56, there's 50 and there's 6. So if I hear 50, that means 5 is in the front. So out of all these numbers, I have to look for the 5 that's in the front. Not here, 6 is in the front. Not here, 3 is in the front. Over here, 5 is in the front here. So 56 has to be one of these numbers here. Now, that's the first part. I hear 50, that means 5 is in the front. 56. What's the last part of the word? 6. So that means behind 5 is 6. So to make 56, there has to be a 5 and a 6. Do I see a 5 and a 6 here? No, I see 5 and a 2. That's 52. Do I see a 5 and a 6 here? No, I see a 5 and an 8, so that's 58. I need to see a 5 and a 6 to make 56. So I see it here. A 5 and a 6 makes 56. You can use this for any number. Another example could be 92. So at 92, the 9 has to be in the front. Not here, 8 is in the front. Not here, 7 is in the front. Here, 9 is in the front. And again, the number is 92. So I have to find a number that has 9 and 2. So 9 and 1, no, that's 91. 9, 2, that's 92. So those are a couple of strategies that you can use to help your Rocketeer find these numbers before giving them the answer. If they really have just trouble finding it, they just need more practice, and you can just give them the answer and show them where the number is. And then just make a note and remember to test them for that same number the next time you practice. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. That was level 14, recognizing any number 0 through 100.